and today I'm gonna start on a new project with all these photo albums. I have a lot of old photo albums that I had when I was a child, and my mom, when she died, she left a whole bunch of photos and stuff. So I'm gonna start on a project where I'm gonna scan all of these photos, but first I'm gonna separate each photo. I'm gonna take it out of all these albums and boxes and bags and separate each one of them as per my photos, my kids' photos, my siblings, my family members, friends. I'm going to separate everything in big patches and probably put some in these shoe boxes. Um, put, put the photos in some shoe boxes and some separate them in some other little baskets and stuff like that. And then I'm going to get started and scan each one of them. And I'm going to make a photo book, probably some magazines out of the photos. I'm going to do all of that kind of stuff, but I'm going to document the journey of doing it and how I'm doing it. But for right now, I had taste of some neck bones. So I thawed out some neck bones, and I'm gonna have it with some potatoes and green beans. So I'm gonna cook that. I'm gonna get started with that first because it's gonna take about 3 hours just to cook this stuff. So while it's cooking, I can come back and do all of this. But I need to get started on that so that it'll be ready the next 3 hours, and then I can eat. But I'm gonna videotape that too. So let me get started with that, and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna put that on my other YouTube channel, Janice Lane Kitchen. I'm gonna put it here, but I'm gonna edit it up, chop it up, and everything, and put it on the Janice Lane Kitchen for those recipes. But I'm definitely gonna put it on here too. Real talk, auntie. That's me.